Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description. Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? How you doing this morning? Let's go ahead and mark our charts up, yeah? It's kind of crazy. Why does it look like that? Well, let's look at news real quick. All right, so we have Jolts at 10 a.m. Jolts job opening, so maybe that's why we're looking like this on the chart right now for New York. So let's mark up our New York open. We are still in this open. We've been in this open for about an hour now. Oh, yo, what's up, guys? What's up, Tony? What's up, Jason? Sanj, good morning, guys. Hope you guys are okay. Let's see what we can catch today, guys. Let's see what we can catch today. All right, let's mark up our charts, yeah? Let's mark up our charts. Looks like we're right here. Very close to this. Very close to this. All right, so coming on the higher time frame. Bro got my swag back and life is forming. My bias is gold longs. You want longs for gold? Let's see what we're going to get for NQ. Because I want NQ. I don't want gold. All right, so let's look at the higher time frame real quick. So yesterday we closed pretty bullish. Yeah. I'm actually expecting a pretty big push out of here, guys. If we fail to break this high, then we could see a lot lower. But if we can break this high, we have a strong chance of coming up here. Very close to all-time highs. Very close to all-time highs. So yeah, right here is a very key level. If we can break above here, we should see higher, but if we can come up here, reject this level, we will probably start dropping pretty hard. I don't want to predict though, I want to react. So that's just my assumption. Yeah. All right, so let's say we come lower. Let's mark up some levels for lower. Yeah. All right. All right. There's the song, the music. Oh, I have people on my Instagram too, but I don't know. Instagram is being weird. It's like all laggy and shit. Fairly laggy. Oh, okay. There we go. All right. Anyway, um, sorry, I had to do that really quickly. So if we can break above here, it looks like we are trying to, because obviously we're very close to this level. Probably just target here. We're having a break already. I don't even. You guys know I'm not going to take my trades until like 9:30, 9:35. So if we break above here before 9:30, we'll see how strong we'll break above. Let's see what the volume is telling us. All right, let's see what the volume is telling us here. What is this weekly doing? Yeah, we might be coming all the way back up here, guys. Very strong chance of doing so. I think I want to stay bullish today. If we can get a trade before news, that would be fantabuloso. I would love to get a trade in before news. Let's go ahead and say our affirmations. Well, my affirmations that I have created after reading Trading in the Zone. I have 3 chapters left in the book, and I just got it last week. So, affirmations that I have gathered for myself after reading this book is anything can happen. Anything can happen. Trading is a game of probability. Do not predict, follow. Trading is a game of probability, guys. That's a big one. That's a big one. Because so many times, you enter your trade and you're saying, all right, it's going here. 100% it's going here. It's like not really 100%, it's a game of probability. It's a game of probability. That's why trimming is so important. So important. I don't need to know what will happen next to make money. I don't, because I'm just reacting. I don't need to know what will happen next to make money. Losses are inevitable. They are inevitable in trading. It happens. We can't prevent them from happening. All we're doing is following our edge, our strategy. Book definitely helps and make you see this from a different perspective. Yes, bro. Trading in the Zone is a beautiful book. Beautiful, beautiful book to read if you are struggling with your psychology. You can have all of the analysis in the world. You could be the greatest analysis in the world, but if you fucking lack on your psychology, you're not going anywhere. Nowhere, bro. Nowhere. And risking less than $400 but more than $300 is a very nice sweet spot for me for both risk and reward. Risk and reward. Anything can fucking happen. How do I sync? How do I sync everything, guys? Do you know how to sync everything all at once from this side to this side? Because I don't want to have to go in here and do this. Oh, and do this and do that. Is there not a way to like do it all at once? All right, so we just talked about this Asia high. Yeah, we're gonna be coming up here, guys. I just don't know if it's gonna happen before 9:30. But as you guys know, I cannot take a trade before 9:30. That's what my rules state. On my back testing, all of my trades have been taken between like 9:30 and 10 a.m. 9:30 and 10 a.m. Most of my trades have been taken between those times. So anything outside of that, I don't really know how well the strat will work because my back testing is based off of those times there. And yeah, let's see what ES is doing. Gotta watch ES too, guys. Same thing. Okay. I want to see how this 15 closes. So we had a small break here, right? It's like, oh, man, I want to take this so bad. If you guys want to, you can, but I can't. I can't do it. It's not 9:30 yet. I can't do it. I will follow my plan with discipline no matter what, bro. No matter what. No matter what. I have these over here on the side of my, on the side of my computer. But yeah, it's my affirmations that I have on the side of my computer or my screen. Nice little notes to keep me going. All right. You know, guys, if we could come down, maybe like take this current New York low out, maybe retest this London high, maybe we could see longs to come up. Or if we close below this New York low, this New York open, so we got two scenarios, yeah? We can close below this New York low and continue lower. Or we can take out the low, fail to close below it, and then come higher. Yeah. So we have two scenarios for New York Open. And then we have two strats to use for today. So we have New York Open for the strategy, pretty much a break and retest of New York Open. And then we will look and wait for DOL to get taken out. We'll wait for an FEG to get formed on the 5 minute. And then we'll wait for an inverse. That's it. I'm not going to be taking any continuation trades off of FEGs, only inverse FEGs. Only inverse FEGs. I don't really like taking continuation trades off of FEGs. I like inverse FVGs a bit more. They seem to be a bit more high probability wins. So, yeah. Yeah. I see why waiting makes a difference. Oh yeah, waiting is great. Waiting is great, bro. It helps a lot with your patience. Just especially with just direction of the market, man. You're literally waiting for everybody to get onto the screen and press the button all at the same time as you. So you're trying to figure out what everybody else is thinking, you know? And to figure that out, you have to wait and see what the market is presenting to you. And then you'll say, oh, okay, got a lot of sellers here, got a lot of buyers here. Let's follow the trend. Da, 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 da. My main one is to understand the rationale on which I enter a trade. Only when there are only when there are minimum 2 to 3 confluences and conditions met, then I enter. Taking emotional out is vital. Less trades, more profitable. Yes, bro. Yes, bro. In the trading world, less is more, man. Less is more, yeah. I hear that way too often from good traders. Less is more. And those are the ones that are profitable and successful because they're only taking their trades if it meets their conditions. Yeah. Some traders go days without taking a trade because the market doesn't meet their conditions. You know how much discipline that takes to be able to not take a trade for days, bro? For days, just because it's not meeting your conditions? That's a lot of discipline. I was doing too much predicting instead of following what was in front of me. Helps learning from more experienced traders. That's why I'm here. Bro, hold on. Let me get my book real quick because the fact that I literally have like 12 minutes before I can even take a trade. So let me get my fucking book real quick because the fact that you said that there's a really important like part in this book about predicting, trying to predict the market. Hold on. All right. All right, guys. Hold on, let me make sure I mark my page. Because we're just staying in this open anyway. Ain't doing shit yet. Probably waiting for jolts. Probably waiting for news. Okay, let's see. Because I'm pretty sure I marked it up. Because I said, damn, when I was reading it, bro. Yo, as I'm reading this book, it's literally like I'm reading about myself, man. It's like I'm reading about myself. It's fucking insane. It's like I want to find the exact, because I want to read that shit word for fucking word. Oh man. Oh, I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. Yeah. Here it is. Here it is. It says, all right, it says, this level, certain, oh, well, damn, maybe I didn't mark it, but well, this part says, it's the ability to believe in the unpredictable. All right, I got 9 minutes so I can even take a trade, so I'm not even going to fucking worry about it. But it says, it's the ability to believe in the unpredictability of the game at the micro level and simultaneously believe in the predictability of the game at the macro level. They have learned and completely accepted the fact that they don't know what's going to happen next. And he's talking about professional fucking gamblers, bro. He's talking about professional gamblers. They don't know what's going to happen next. More important, they don't need to know in order to make money consistently. Because they don't know what's going to happen next, they don't place any special significance, emotional or otherwise, on each individual hand spinning the wheel or roll the dice. In other words, they're not encumbered by unrealistic expectations about what is going to happen next, nor are their egos involved in a way that makes them have to be right. So the fact that we are trying to predict, the fact that some of us are trying to predict exactly what's going to happen means that we have a problem with wanting to be right all the time, right? We have a problem with wanting to be right. Not just in trading, on the outside of trading, in our real world, in our real life, we have a problem with that. And if you can, relate to that, having an ego for wanting to be right all the time, that's going to transfer over into trading. I swear to God, once you learn to manage your emotions in your trading, myself as well, we will be some of the most successful traders. We will be part of that 1% if we can just learn to stop wanting to fucking be right all the time, right? Want it to be clever. Prefer making money. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Exactly, bro. It's not about being right. It's about reacting. All right, guys. So it looks like we're trying to push up here, yeah? Looks like we're obviously trying to push up here. So let's see. If we close above here after 9:30, we could just look for some longs off of a retest from here, because if we close above here, I doubt we're going to come back into New York Open. I mean, we might, because we're pretty close to it. But like I said, like we just said, we don't want to predict, right? We don't want to predict. So let's just see what happens. And this book too, it's like, if we think pretty much, if we think like professional gamblers, we'll be fine. That's pretty much what this fucking book is saying. All right, let's see what we got here, guys. So it looks like we're trying to break above, but rejecting higher, huh? Rejecting higher. Let's see. It's pretty choppy too, not really too clean, so I'm not really gonna expect too much just yet. News in 30 minutes. Let's see if we can get a trade before news. But I don't know, because it's pretty choppy. So if we can come down here, take out this low, reject going lower, then I'll take longs off of open and target higher. This would be my first target, depending on if this is the high for now. But we'll see what happens, yeah? Because it looks like we want to come a little bit lower first, just the way it's looking. So we are taking out the overnight session, right? Overnight session. Yeah, we took it out. We fully took out the overnight session. So let's see if we want to come lower now or if we want to go higher. Yeah. And today I have to be gone by 11. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. I'm a little busy today. So let's get a fucking trade before news. Well, hopefully we can, yeah. Hopefully we can. All this fucking chop. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, fist. Chop, chop, fist. Chop, chop, fruit. Chop, chop, fruit. All right, guys. Let's see. Let's see if I'm going to enter. This is kind of ugly, guys. See, it happened before 9:30 again, probably because of news. It's always news. It's always news, but see, the bias is correct. The bias is correct. Pumped up, no bottom wick again, just like yesterday. Just like yesterday. Just like yesterday. But at least I follow my rules. No trading until after 9:30. So, like I said, if we can close above here, we could grab some nice longs. But the thing is, the next target would be up here, and we have a nice little structure here. Sometimes this magnet really pisses me off. Like, come on, bro. Okay, there we go. Pretty strong level of structure there. Resistance, whatever. Yeah, guys, if you guys want to join the Discord, because I see that there's like 60 people in here. Cheese and rice. What's up, guys? Join the Discord for the free. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe. All right, so we took out this level of DOL, and it looks like we're coming down pretty heavily. Pretty heavily. Wow. Okay. All right. Let's look. And technically, we're tapping into a higher time frame FEG. Oh my gosh, we took out both DOLs, and now we are disrespecting going higher. Let's see what ES is doing. ES is doing the same thing, but ES didn't take out this high yet. NQ did. Yeah? Yeah, NQ did, but ES didn't. So I would not take longs from here. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Not anymore. It's too late for that. It's looking like I want to go short. So since NQ took it out and then started rejecting immediately, I'm going to assume that NQ is the one leading today. And that ES will follow NQ today. This is ES. This is pretty nice, though. This is pretty nice. If we can close below, now that we took out all this level of DOL up here, if we can close below, I'd like to see shorts to come lower, take out this London low. Took out all the buy side, right? Now we're looking for sell side. So we have a small sell side right here. Hold on. Let me get my risk ready. Let me get my risk ready really quickly because that's most important. Okay. If it plays out the way I want, I'll be doing 6 cons. 6 cons. Maybe 5. I need ES to start following as well. That's what we need. We need ES to start following. Because if we just come back in here and start chopping around again, we'll probably just wait for fucking jolts. Sometimes I like news, but sometimes I don't because it fucks up my 9:30 entries. So it looks like ES keeps retesting this New York Open over here and trying to push up because we still haven't taken out this high yet for ES, but we have for NQ. Damn, 63 people in here. What is up, you guys? What is up? I hope everybody is doing great today. Don't forget to like and subscribe on that button. Join the Discord. It's free. Yeah. Not shit happening. Man, I really need some fucking water. I need some water. Let me grab some water really quick. Really quick while I wait for this setup to play out. But anyways, okay. So let me know if you guys frustration. All right, let's see. Everything's forming, just nothing is fully confirmed yet until we can break this fucking low. There's just like, obviously, my first trade played out with longs, but didn't get that retest that I wanted. So at 9:30, it happened before 9:30, not at 9:30. There's still a lot of buyers and sellers fighting in this area. We have a lot of fighting right here. Just we're trying to see who wins, and then whoever wins will follow. Yeah. Do not predict, just follow. I really want to see a nice sell-off. Gotta get that confirmation, guys. It's like I can't really treat this as a retest because we already took out these levels of DOL. So I can't, it's not a retest for me anymore because it already took out my levels of my targets. It already took out my targets, my levels of TP. If we close above here, then okay, we could go higher. We could go higher. We do have a 30-minute FEG right here that we were playing off of, like I explained earlier. And if we inverse this huge FEG, then okay, maybe. But yeah, I'd rather get some shorts. But the way that this is happening right now, it looks like we want to go higher. Yeah, because like I said, ES hasn't taken out this DOL yet, but NQ has. Yeah, so looks like we're trying to form a SMT right here, because we have this here. It hasn't closed yet, but we're trying to create an SMT. It would be nice to see ES take out this high and then reject, and then that would be even more confirmation that we are going to go lower for NQ. I would really like to see the ES take this high out and then reject, but we don't have to. Damn, what's up, Twitter? Sheesh, 73 people. God damn. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, yo. For Cam, Trading Nut. For Cam, I am not the Trading Nut. Okay, I am not the Trading Nut. Some people have said that before, and I'm like, dude, you're obviously new to the channel because I am not from New Zealand. My name is not Cam. I am not a white man. Let's see what happens. So we have, it's best to just wait for news now. News is in 15 minutes. So let's see what happens for news. Yeah. Let's see what happens for news. We got to see if news is going to be bearish or bullish. So actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Last month it was bad. It was bad. So we're expecting the forecast is less than it has been the past few months. So maybe we'll be bullish. Let's see. But I am more bearish, guys. It just makes more sense. Yeah, we got 15 minutes before fucking jolts. If ES can take out this high before, or maybe jolts will push ES up here, take out the high, and then start rejecting. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I don't need to know what will happen next to make money. I don't need to know. All I need to do is react. Do not predict, just follow. Do not predict, just follow. $80 people, cheese and rice. What is up, you guys? What is up? Please, please, please. Hey, join this fucking Discord, guys. Join the free Discord. I will be posting free educational resources, my strategy. There's profits, there's losses in there, there's people in there, there's a community. Join it up. Join it up. Sometimes I do giveaways for combines. I'm going to, yeah. Let's see. ES is still struggling to go higher there, but it's very close. So I'm pretty sure it's going to go there, just the way that the market is printing. But we're still sitting pretty close to all-time highs. We're far, but we're not that far, you know. We were sitting at like fucking. It makes sense though, you guys, you know, because we were like dropping for so long, right? From all the tariffs and everything going on in the world. So now we're just having a huge correction in the market. Huge correction. Huge. 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 Yeah. Dang, it's not even fucking jolts yet. And we're already dropping? Damn. That was crazy. Okay, since we're dropping like that, yo, let's just react, guys. I'm going to. You know, I don't want to be too biased here. I don't want to say that we're going to go short because we could go long. We have a huge 4-hour FVG right here. We inverse this FVG here. Now we could Let's see. We have a huge FEG here. Huge, huge, huge. Where is the 50% level here? Right here. Jolts in 8 minutes, guys. Let's see what the fuck is happening. Let's see what the fuck's going on. This language is not rated PG, okay? It's rated R, baby. Rated R. No kids in here. It's really choppy right now, guys. We gotta wait. We gotta wait for cleaner price action. We need some cleaner price action. We gotta wait for jolts. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. We might get our shorts, guys. We might get our shorts. But we're gonna wait. And we got 5 minutes until news, guys. 5 minutes. If we can break this low, that'd be a really nice MSS right here. Break it and close below the low. That would be a really nice MSS, and then we could definitely take shorts. But we'll see. Really don't know. Don't know just yet. Really don't know just yet. Of course, I have to go to the bathroom. All right, well, I got like 3 minutes to go use the bathroom, so let me use the bathroom real quick, guys. BRB. I'll be fast. My bias right now, guys, is I don't know. That's my bias. I don't know. Because ES is pushing, NQ is pushing up, but ES is not trying to go higher. Probably just waiting for news. Buyers are still trying to push up here because there's a lot of buyers sitting here in NQ. There are a lot of buyers in NQ. We just wait for news, guys. News is going to give us the volume and the direction that we need. And then that will tell us where we're trying to go. If not, then I might have to call it a day. Got 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let's see what happens. I feel like we're. Never mind. I don't feel anything. Anything can happen. One minute or 15 seconds. Let's see. All right, so news just took out this ES high, finally. Let's see what happens here. We did close above here on the 1 hour. Yeah, it came out bullish. Yeah, I figured it was going to come out bullish because this forecast was pretty low. So if we can be bullish for news just to take out the liquidity and then start pumping down. And then start pumping down. That would be ideal. Yeah. I also have this. So what we could do here, inverse this, and then, yeah. Okay. Looks like we didn't even get a retest of this level to take longs to go higher. Uh, a lot of bulls coming in here. You could see ES break above them here. Yeah, NQ is definitely leading. Might have to call it a day in like 15 minutes. I'm not really liking how the market's presenting itself today. Less is better, guys. Less is more. Less is more. And trading, less is more. Yesterday had a very nice 50 plus point move. Made about let's see, three PAs, 450 each, so like maybe 1,500 about. Somewhere about 1,500 across all of my PAs. And then on my combines, three combines. 1,500 on three combines and 1,500 on three PAs yesterday. Because I was patient and I waited. And that trade took like, I don't know, like 30 seconds to fucking play out, man. That's crazy. Waited all day. Well, I wouldn't say all day, but so what we're trying to do right here is we're trying to inverse this 15-minute FVG created from, when was this? Was this last week? 29th of May. What day was that? Yeah, last week. Last Thursday. Last Thursday. If we can inverse this from last Thursday, we could see this high, and then we could see this high. So waiting to see if that can happen. But right now, we're sitting right here at the top of it. If ES fails to push above, could look for some sellers start to step in. All right, well, there's no gap anymore. Okay. Oh. Sellers are stepping in. They are stepping in. Don't really need this level anymore. All right, guys. We might be getting our shorts here. Might be getting our shorts here. Let me see if there's any type of FEG, you know. All right, guys, we might be getting our setup finally. It's kind of a random sell-off, though. Pretty random. Especially if it's like that on the 1 minute. That was pretty random. I think we're going to go lower, though. Target. Maybe not. See what the next 5 does. Maybe on the next 5. Maybe on the next 5. All right, so yeah, this would be TP1 here. Market's pretty ugly. All right, come on. We patient today. Wifey's over here cooking breakfast and shit. Smelling good. God, guys, it's so choppy. This is ugly, man. This is so ugly. I don't know if we can take anything off of this. How are we supposed to? It's not saying anything. There's no story. There's no storyline. If this next 15 doesn't give me something, because I like the way it's closing right now, but let's see, or forming. Let's see how it closes. I like that we pretty much made a double top here on ES, right? Pretty much. So we could see lower from here. We could see lower. because that's what I was waiting for. I was waiting for ES to come up here and either take it out or tap it and then reject, and that's exactly what happened. So now we're gonna see if we want higher or if we're gonna start coming lower now. It will make sense to come lower. So choppy. Chop chop fruit. Oh. Uh, bro. Oh, what a fucking shit market, man. What a shit market. Uh. Excuse me. Nice to get this inverse here. That'd be nice. And then we could get a trade upward. But it's just so choppy, guys. I really feel like we're just going to chop up until after PM session. I mean, until after lunch for PM sesh. It's starting to slow down a lot. There's not enough volume in the market, meaning there's not enough people hitting the button. Meaning it's not a good time to trade. Meaning get the fuck off the market. Get the fuck off and just come back tomorrow or come back for PM sesh. So no trade today. No trade today. No trade day. That's okay. Less is better. Less is more. Yeah. All right. I think I'm done, guys. I don't really want to trade this market. It's not really for me. So I'll be back tomorrow for sure. But wait, like let's see. I'll let this 15-minute candle close and then I'll make my final decision. I just don't really like it, guys. It's very ugly. It's choppy. It's taking forever. It's probably best to stay bullish here. Looking at this 4-hour. Wow, I see what we did here. I see exactly what happened. So we closed above here on the 4-hour, right? Closed above this level right here. Pretty much a level of resistance, yeah. And then the 4-hour came back, retested it, and then pumped up. So let me see here. Okay, we retested this level right here. I see. So these were longs, pretty good longs, but just nothing set up for me on the lower time frame for me to take it. For my strategy, at least. For my own strat. All right, I think I'm gonna stay cash today, guys. I'm gonna stay cash today. I'm just gonna do my little Wordle. Oh damn. Okay, AI. Yep, I'm done. I'm staying cash today, guys. So I'm done trading. I'm not trading in this market. It's a seek and destroy kind of market, and I am not letting that shit destroy me. So I'm doing my Wordle. Let's see. Stamp. Faith. There's no F. Wait. Yeah, there is. I don't know that. Actually, I don't know that yet. There's no T. There's no T, guys. There's no T. Dang, I'm surprised you guys are participating. You gonna help, babe? She's just over there eating her breakfast, not even helping us with the Wordle. Let's see. Fail? No. Maybe it's an F. There's no R. There's no T. Champ? Let's see. Oh, there's no C. Damn it. I forgot to say there's no C. 2 more tries. Let's see. W. Huh? There's no H. There's no E. There's an A, an I, and an M. Oh, there's an M in here. Mia. Liars. No, there's an M, bro. There's an M. You got it right with the champ and the stamp and the blamp. What game is this? This is Wordle. This is Wordle. Yo, I love when everybody talks in all caps. It's like you guys are yelling at me. Everybody's yelling at me. It's Wordle. Huh? Jail? No, there's an M in there. It's kind of a weird word. Looks like a weird word. No. L M. There's an A. The A is not there though. Lambs. There's no S. Limbs. There's no S. Gramp. There's no P, Tony. There's no P. You said stamp, champ, gramp. Bro's stuck on that. No. Okay, so the A and the M are in the wrong spot. Okay. They're in the wrong spot. If they were in the right spot, they would be green. They're in the word, but they're in the wrong spot. So maybe grape. Good job, though. Good job. Good job. Good job guessing. You're using your brain. That's what this game is about. Wordle. Only have 2 more tries. M. This is a weird word. I already know it. What, baby?
What do you call a baby horse? Mirror?
I don't know. I don't know. Stone? Tony. Tony. There is an A, an M, and an I. There's no S, there's no T, there's no O. My bro. The A is not there. Maybe the A is like... No cheating. She said ask ChatGPT. No, cheater. Bro, what is this fucking word? Huh? Blunt?
No, I said blimp.
Oh. Blamp?
Blimp. Like a blimp?
Oh, there's an A in there, though. Main. There's no E. There's no P. What the fuck is this?
Liar.
Now, Tony said that too. Tony said put liars. There's no R or S. What the fuck, man? F-U. Main. There's no E. But we'll see if... Oh, it's not a word in the list. Not in word list. What? That's a word. It's a state. M. Match? No. M-I-A-T. Miath. Mice. Oh, is it made? Wait. Oh, there's a D in there. Oh, shit. Okay, so we got a D in here. So we have 4 letters. Just need the last letter, but none of them are in the right spot. All right, come on, Tony. Come on, Tony. Come on, babe. We have 4 letters. We need one more, but we need to make them all correct. So what makes sense here? So there's no A right here. There's no I right here. The M is not here. The M is not here. D, I, M, A. No, no S. Diary. There's an M, Tony. That's my bro, Tony the Tiger. He gives me Frosted Flakes every morning for breakfast. So the M's not here. The M's not here. The A's not here. The I's not here. D. Come on, Tony. What the fuck? D-I-M-A. Oh, no. D-I-M-D. D-Mal. Media. Oh, no. No E. You're close. That was a good one, though. That was a good one. Fuck. Famid. All right. My vocabulary is not big, guys. Obviously. Good Lord. M. No. D. Addin. Oh, good job, bro. Good job, man. Oh, man. Nice job, bro. Woo, admin. Good job, man. I don't know why that was so hard. Good job, bro. No winning this time, but maybe next time I'll give away an account. Well, so keep going on here. Keep staying on the live, and maybe one day you'll win a Wordle 50K combine, okay? Good job, bro. Good job. What's going on here? Anyway, all right, we're chopping up a lot here. All right, guys, I'll see you. What's today? Tuesday? Yeah, I'll be on tomorrow. Tomorrow is my last day on the live for Trading Nut. If you want to continue trading with me, just join the Discord. You like this game? I like this game too. It really makes your brain think, huh? It really makes your brain think. Good job, Mo. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. If you're still continuing to trade, please be safe in this chop. It might be better to wait after lunch. Or it could just fucking go as soon as I get off, because sometimes that does like to happen. Whatever. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe and take care.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.